In this video, I will show you the simple and efficient way to duplicate individual question block modules within your Typeform account. This is an incredibly helpful feature to master because it saves you a significant amount of time when you need to recreate complex question formats or settings without starting from scratch every single time. To begin the process, you first need to log into your account and open the specific form you want to edit inside the main Create tab workspace. Once your form is loaded and ready, turn your attention to the left-hand panel where your entire question sequence layout list is displayed in a clear vertical order. This sidebar is where all the magic happens. Now, carefully scroll through your questions and hover your mouse pointer over the specific question block module that you want to copy. As you hover over the block, you will notice 3 small dots appearing on the right side of that module. Go ahead and click on this icon to reveal a hidden drop-down menu with several different options. From this list of choices, you simply need to select the duplicate option. As soon as you click it, Typeform will instantly generate an identical copy of that module and place it directly underneath the original block in your sequence. All of your original settings, including the question text, images, and logic jumps, will be preserved in the brand new copy. This allows you to quickly build out long forms by simply tweaking the duplicated content as needed. It is a fantastic workflow hack for anyone looking to streamline their form building process and maintain consistency across multiple questions. Now you can move the new block anywhere you like or continue duplicating more sections as your project requires. It really is that easy to manage your question modules and speed up your design work today.